All right, just got the package from rodentpro. It is the frozen mice that I ordered for my snake, and it's only 100 mice, but this is packaged very well. I really like the fact that it's stapled shut, and it is an awfully heavy box. I'm not sure exactly how it's packaged on the inside, but let's look at that here in just a second. All right, got the box open, and now we see fiberglass insulation. Holy cow. Let's see how easy this is for me to get to. I'm not sure how well. Well, they got it taped up pretty good. All right, let's pause for a moment. Okay, there's an awful lot of tape that was on here, so let's just open that. What? There's even more. I should have looked before I did that. Holy cow, it is really taped. It's really taped up also. Okay, I really have to give it to rodentpro for, I think, doing a great job sealing this package up. Okay, what even? Wow, look at that. And there they are. Oh my God, look at all those mice. That's 100 frozen mice. And there's the, right there, the frozen, I hate when I forget things like this. The words sometimes just get lost in my head. The carbon dioxide, the you guys know what I mean, because I honestly can't recall right now off the top of my head. Gosh. Anyways, that ice right there. All right, so this is a good packaging, and some insulation that I can use for other stuff. That's always a plus. I always try to reuse stuff in packages, and this will work really good.